Teagasc are organising a conference on Thursday the 8th and Friday the 9th of September. The Swards for the Future conference will be held in Teagasc Moorepark. You will hear from Irish and international researchers on current and ongoing research projects on grass white clover and multi-species swards. You will also hear from Irish farmers and advisors on ongoing practices on Irish grassland farmers. Researchers will also pose the questions on future research questions that need to be addressed to aid Ireland in meeting climate action targets. Visit teagasc.ie for further information about the event and to register. Thank you.
Chemical nitrogen use has been getting a lot of negative attention recently. However, white clover offers the opportunity to continue to achieve self-sufficiency in terms of herbage production in a reduced chemical nitrogen input scenario. I'm standing here in the long-term grass white clover systems research study at Teagasc Moorepark. This particular paddock was reseeded in June 2012. Since then, it has never been reseeded, has never been oversown, and has received 150 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare per year since establishment. At the Swards for the Future conference, delegates will get the opportunity to see this long-term systems research experiment. We will present the results and we will have discussions around grazing management, herbage production, milk production, nitrogen use efficiency and biological nitrogen fixation. There will also be the opportunity to see methane measurements in grazing research.
I'm currently standing in our coniferous legume plots here in Teagasc Moorepark. These plots contain species of sandvine and birdsfoot trefoil that are high in condensed tannins. High condensed tannins have been shown to increase animal production while also reducing methane production from ruminants. The plots will be on show at the Swards for the Future conference, along with our red clover variety plots, our white clover variety plots and our perennial ryegrass variety grazing plots that make up part of the Pasture Profit Index.
My name is Robert O'Dea. I'm farming here in Kilteely in County Limerick. I'm in partnership with my brother Bernard and his son Dennis. We are milking 260 cows on 116 hectare block. We also have an outside block of 16 hectares which helps to rear the replacements. 2 years ago we decided to start putting in white clover. We put it in Dory seeds and in oversowing. At this stage we have about 50% of the block in white clover. It's at various stages. Some of it is very good, more of it is not as good, and more of it is needs a bit of work yet. Last year we put red clover into a field. We have taken 2 cuts already from it, and we're due to cut the 3rd cut in sometime next week. This year we did another field with red clover, and we have 2 cuts already taken from it. Prior to putting clover in the swards, we were spreading about 240-250 kilos of nitrogen here. Last year we reduced that back to around 170, and this year we have 114 spread to date, and we will finish up at around 150 kilos of chemical nitrogen per hectare.